Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a basic dropshipping WordPress plugin for WooCommerce. What is dropshipping? It is a business that allows you to sell products that you don't own or hold an inventory for. The order is placed on your site, and then the order info is forwarded to an actual manufacturer to process the order and ship it. But you collect the money. You add your own markup. Here's a basic WordPress plugin that you can use that will help you submit that order to another service. Because different dropshipping companies, they have different APIs. We only have the core functionality which hooks into WooCommerce and collects the information for the products that have been ordered, and then it can send it to another service of your choice. If you need customizations, feel free to hire us and we can go from there. This is how the plugin looks like. We hook into this action and basically we check for the order, if it's valid, and we extract some information from the order, such as billing, email, phone. We clear it from additional extensions and stuff like that. We collect the information for the company, state, postal code, and so on. We have another field that is specifically for the shipping information. We put that information here in the shipping data. This is the order data that we have. Everything is added here. The structure that the shipping company you're using may be different, so feel free to adapt that data structure. That's the shipping data, and here we have an empty products, and we're going to be adding that information in the next few lines. Here we loop through the ordered products. We get the product ID and we check if it's a downloadable or if it's a virtual product. We'll skip it. In your case, you may want exactly those, so feel free to update that check. We get the SKU number. It's good to have a consistent SKU number on your site and also at the shipping company that you're working with. And we have this information. This is your product ID, product name, SKU, and the quantities that have been ordered. We put that here, and we've added an example URL that can accept that information. It could be username, password, API keys, and so on. Free to update here again. And those are the parameters. Some dropshipping companies, they may require the data to be sent in a JSON format or XML. So it might require some customizations. When the request has finished, we'll update a note here, the order note. That way we'll know what is happening. So that's basically it. So there's different improvements that can be done on this code. One is some information to be added to the order, some additional information from the API that you're calling here. It could be a logging, for example, just to see what data is in the shopping cart and also what response has returned the API. That's going to be very useful for troubleshooting later on. We also noticed that when we worked on dropshipping products, it's good to prefix the order depending on the environment. For example, if it's a staging site, it's good to have staging prefix. If it's live, then have the live prefix, and if it's development, dev prefix. That way, when the developer works on their computer and the test orders that are being sent from that computer, they'll be prefixed and there won't be a collision, because usually those dropshipping companies, they will make sure that the order ID is unique and it makes sense. Sometimes the system might expect the order ID to be integer, and adding a prefix might cause a problem. But if the dropshipping company, if it allows like a string-based order ID, that's great. Then you can add the prefixes that I mentioned. And that's it. It's a really nice plugin. And if you need customizations, let us know by going to orbisius.com/contact. And you can go to this tutorial by going to orbisius.com/6388. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe. Bye.